it's Janae back with another video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are old to my channel, welcome back. Also press that subscribe button if you haven't already, and also the notification bell so you can get notified when I upload new video. So as you see, my hair is in 4 little plaits or a little twist here. I did wash my hair. I washed my hair using the Africa's Best shampoo, and I also deep conditioned my hair using the Unique Curl deep conditioner. I have put a leave-in in my hair. The leave-in conditioner that I used was the Main Choice leave-in conditioner, the Tropical Moringa line. So now I am trying to do a braid out. I am going to be using the Curly Magic Curl Stimulator by Uncle Funky's daughter. Now I did do a braid out before. I did it on my live on my Instagram, and it was so defined, y'all. I'm actually going to show you guys how it looks on my hair. The way I did it before was actually more smaller, so I'm going to try to do it a little more bigger than I did before. Okay, so I'm applying the curl. Ooh, why am I applying this? What am I doing, y'all? I ain't even parted to. Oh my gosh. Okay, I need to wake up. I'm gonna put that right here. So I actually skipped the step, so let me stop. So I'm about to do like this whole thing right here, about to be a whole braid. I don't know, hold on. This much. I don't know what I was thinking, y'all. I was about to start styling my hair and everything, like I had everything all planned out. Didn't make no parts. Now I'm gonna be putting the gel on my hair, and I'm gonna start putting it on here. And I love the way this glides on my strands, y'all. I'm loving it. I love Uncle Funky's daughter. Like, I could actually achieve a nice old wash and go. See, look at that. Look how well, like, these curls are soft. So I'm gonna be using my Michelle Mercier brush, and I'm going to be combing or brushing these products throughout my strands. Now I do have a video on this brush and how I thought of what I thought about it, so just stay tuned for that. I'm gonna just be braiding my hair, and then I'm gonna show you guys the finished results. So I'm gonna just braid all of this down. One thing about braid outs, like my hair is layered and all of that, so like you have to make sure that your hair at the ends are right. Once I get to my ends, all I'm gonna do is just twirl it. This one is actually shorter than the rest, so I'm gonna just keep on braiding it down. So as you see, it's starting to get a little harder for me to braid, but I still have a lot of room. It's just, it's uneven. As you see, this is longer and this is shorter. So all I'm going to be doing is, I'm gonna stop right now. And now you can add a rod on there on the end or whatever you like, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna just twirl it like this, and then voila. So that's how your ends should look. You can either put a perm rod on there like I said, or you could just twirl it like I did. That's how you actually get a good braid out. Finally, I am done. Finally, I am done with my braids. I'm gonna sit under the dryer. It's gonna take 2 hours, and I'm gonna come right back. This is my braid out, my braids in. You know what I'm about. I'm telling you what you're gonna do. You're gonna do some braid outs. Yes, sir, I'm playing. You know what I'm saying. This is the braid out. Let me stop, y'all. Okay. So this is the braids, and like I said, I'm gonna be sitting under my hooded dryer. I will be sitting under my hooded dryer for like 2 hours. I am not looking forward to, because I hate sitting under the hooded dryer, but that is the best results I realize when I sit under the dryer, I get bomb results. So yeah. Is there any other video? I am loving my results. I hope you guys do as well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.